In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again. Click on Device Unlock and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock over here. Then select Face section, tap on Agree, and enter your current login method. Following that, select Continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!